Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you set up your Grid Connect camera. First, carefully unbox your camera and ensure all parts are included, like the power adapter and mounting screws. Next, download the Grid Connect app onto your smartphone or tablet. It's available on both Apple and Android app stores. Finally, confirm your Wi-Fi network is a 2.4 GHz network, as most smart devices require this frequency for optimal performance. Now, let's get your camera powered on. Plug the camera into a power outlet using the provided adapter. You should see an indicator light turn on, signaling it's ready. Then, open the Grid Connect app on your device. If you're a new user, create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Once inside the app, tap the Add Device button and choose your camera model from the list to begin the pairing process. Connecting your camera to Wi-Fi is the next crucial step. The Grid Connect app will guide you through this with clear, on-screen instructions. Often, you'll be asked to display a QR code on your phone. Hold your phone about 10 to 15 centimeters in front of the camera lens so it can scan the code. Listen for a confirmation sound or voice prompt from the camera, indicating a successful connection to your home network. With your camera connected, it's time to finalize the setup. First, give your camera a unique name within the app, like front door or living room, for easy identification. Next, explore the camera's settings to adjust features such as motion detection sensitivity, recording schedules, and notification preferences. Finally, mount your camera securely in its chosen location, ensuring it has a clear view and is positioned for optimal coverage. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.